Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing this beautiful black and gold manicure with some glitter on it. I was sick for New Year's Eve, so I didn't do anything on my nails or I didn't have any plans. I stayed home, but I still wanted to do some festive nails even though it's January. So I'm doing this base with a gold glitter. This is from Holo Taco. And it's normally patchy in the first coat, so I'm just gonna apply 2 coats to make sure that I got the full coverage. And I'm gonna be using this product. This is a new product that I got. It's a smoothing coat, so you put it on top of your glitters or flakies and you don't feel any texture after, so it's great. I recommend it if you have the chance to get it. So I'm gonna apply now liquid latex and we're gonna stamp. So I'm stamping with Black 9. This is from Moyu London. And this is a Moira plate. I will link it in the description below. And I just found that this design is so festive. It's like ornaments all together, and I really like that it has a lot of blank spaces so we can see the color that's underneath. So I'm just gonna wrap a piece of scotch tape on my dotting tool, and I'm gonna be stamping the same design, but I'm just gonna remove some parts of it, and I'm just gonna leave this row of stars, and that's gonna go on my index and my pinky. I'm gonna apply the Pipila Smudge Free Top Coat. I'm gonna be doing a review video on this top coat if you're interested, probably next week. It's a great product, works really great. And then at the end, I'm just gonna apply 1 coat of the shiny top coat, and this is the final result. I really love it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.